Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. To convert benzene into meta-chlorobromobenzen, we need Cl and Br substituents in a meta relationship on the benzene ring. Meta directors must be used to achieve this regiochemistry. Step-by-step reasoning for answer, D8 then 2 then 4 then 3 then 9. Step 1. Reagent 8 nitration of benzene using HNO3, conc. plus H2SO4, conc. and heat gives nitrobenzene. The nitro group is a meta-director. Step 2. Reagent to electrophilic aromatic chlorination of nitrobenzene using Cl2 plus FeCl3. Because the nitro group is a meta-director, chlorine is introduced at the meta position relative to NO2, giving metachloronitrobenzene. Step 3. Reagent for reduction of the nitro group to an amine using H2 with PT catalyst gives metachloroaniline. This converts NO2 to NH2, which is needed for the Sandmeyer reaction. Step 4. Reagent 3 diazotization of the amine using NaO2 plus H3O plus at 0 degrees Celsius converts NH2 to a diazonium salt, N2 plus, giving metachlorobenzenediazonium salt. Step 5. Reagent 9 Sandmeyer reaction using Cu to Br2 plus HBr replaces the diazonium group with bromine, giving metachlorobromobenzen. Why other options fail? Option A only uses sulfonation, chlorination, and PBr3, no pathway to introduce both Cl and Br in meta-relationship. Option B starts with chlorination, ortho-para director installed first, then nitration would go ortho-para to Cl, not giving clean meta-product. Also the sequence does not correctly build metachlorobromobenzen. Option C uses reagent 10, acetylation with acetic anhydride pyridine, which is used to protect an amine. This sequence introduces unnecessary complexity and does not correspond to a clean synthesis from benzene to metachlorobromobenzen using the given reagents in a logical order. The key concept is introduce the meta-directing nitro group first, place Cl meta to it, reduce the nitro to amine, diazotize, then Sandmeyer to install Br where the diazonium was, which is meta to Cl. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.